By the end of this video, you will be able to understand exactly what a Google My Business really is. Explain to anyone who wants to know what you really get by setting up a Google My Business listing. And finally, you'll be able to conclude whether it's really necessary to have a claimed and verified Google My Business listing in 2019. And that's coming right up. Hi everyone, my name is Isadore Petite, digital strategist for results inbound marketing. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, we do one new video a week and you're not going to want to miss any of them. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button and a little bell icon next to it so you get a heads up when we release new content to help you market better online. Also, watch till the end to see how you can get a Google My Business set up absolutely free. That you don't want to miss. First of all, I'm simply amazed at how many business owners there are that don't know what a Google My Business is. I actually spoke with a business owner recently that said that she didn't care. Well, we'll get into whether you should care a little later in this video. What is a Google My Business? Spoiler alert, I'm not going to wait to the end of this video to let you know. You definitely should have a claimed and verified Google My Business listing. But first things first, what is Google My Business? Google My Business was formerly known as Google Places and is a free tool provided by Google that allows business owners to create and manage a listing in Google Maps and Google Search so that people can find their business's name, address, telephone number, hours, and website link in relevant search results and in organic rankings in general. What do you get with a Google My Business profile? Well, first of all, Google helps you show and update your business address, phone number, website, open hours, and more to help customers find and connect with your business. You can keep your profile updated with fresh photos, special offers, promotions, and your unique selling proposition so that you stand out amongst your competitors. Also, and this is very important, if you do not claim your business and list a specific category on your Google My Business page that describes exactly what you offer, Google will have a hard time knowing that your business matches the search terms that people are using to find your business products and services, making it less likely your business will be displayed in the corresponding search results. Businesses can also keep up with what their customers are saying about them. According to consumers, businesses that respond to reviews are almost twice as trustworthy than businesses who don't, a whopping 76% versus 46%. Moreover, Google uses reviews as a ranking factor to determine where you should be placed in the search results. Yeah, I think it's kind of important. And according to Moz's local search rankings factor survey, online reviews are thought to make up at least 10% of how Google and other search engines decide to rank you in search results. You get a free website. A professional website drives sales, point blank. Nearly 70% of consumers agree that they are more likely to buy from a business that has a website than from a business that doesn't. Google offers you a free professional website for your business that you can literally set up in minutes. Once you set up your Google My Business profile, Google would take information from that profile to automatically create a mobile optimized website. And get this, it automatically updates whenever you make changes to your profile. You have a variety of simple yet beautiful site themes that allow you to reach out to your customers with multiple call to actions, like calling, messaging, requesting a quote. Google also has a free Google My Business app, which allows you to do everything that you could do on a computer, but while you're on the go. Some of you are thinking, I already have a website. Okay, let's say you have a website. Chances are the URL isn't as convenient as your business name followed by .com. So when a prospect searches for your business by name, there's a 90% chance that they'll be searching on Google, first of all. Second of all, that prospect will either see an auto-generated and unclaimed listing of your business with who knows what information from who knows what sources, or may not find your business at all. The free Google My Business listing complements your website And you can even add your link to your website in your business profile. Don't count on people that are looking for your business, your products or services to go directly to your website. Let Google help you with their free tool and help customers looking for your business find your website and learn more about your business before leaving the search engine results page. Google Insights. Google's official definition of insights is that it focuses on how customers find your listings in search and map and what they do after they find it. Now, this is very valuable information. I absolutely love the Insights feature. You can literally pull your phone out and immediately see 1. How many views your listing had, 2. How and where customers find your listing, and 3. The actions customers take after they find your listings. You can also see other interactions that customers have with your Google My Business listing. So, does having a Google My Business really help businesses get more customers or clients? Well, let's just think about it this way. Google receives over 63,000 searches per second on any given day. That's the average figure of how many people that are searching on Google, which translate into about 6 trillion searches per year, 3.8 million searches per minute, 228 million searches per hour, and a whopping 5.6 billion searches per day. Simply having your Google My Business set up gives you a real and advantageous presence on Google Search and on Google Maps, allowing you to respond to reviews, post photos of products and special offers, and add or edit your business details. Your Google Business website lets you present your business professionally online, showcasing your photos and business details in a beautiful way. And the Insights tab shows you how you can optimize your customer engagement for better results. If you value the power to attract and engage customers when they search for your business on Google, then you definitely should have a verified Google My Business account. So you learned in this video what a Google My Business really is and what you get when you set up a Google My Business listing. And you found out that it is definitely necessary to have a claimed and verified Google My Business listing in 2019. The next step is for you to get your Google My Business listing up ASAP if you haven't already. For watching till the end of this video, I have a special bonus for you. If you want your Google My Business set up absolutely free, click on the link below to have Results Inbound Marketing set that up for you absolutely free. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.